Hello, my name is Manny, and I'm a caffeinated human and a store leader at 787 Coffee. Now, it's believed that the Babyccino was first served in Australia in the 1990s. As the coffee culture in Australia grew, cafes started offering kid-friendly options as a way to include the whole family in the coffee experience. How to make a Babyccino at home? Heat the milk in a small saucepan over low heat until it's warm but not boiling. Pour the warm milk into a small mug or cup. Add the honey or sugar and stir until it dissolves. Use a milk frother or a handheld whisk to froth the milk until it becomes foamy and light. Sprinkle some cinnamon or cocoa powder on top if desired. Enjoy your homemade Babyccino with your little ones. Stay caffeinated and keep watching our Coffee Drinks Explained guide courtesy of 787 Coffee, a from farm to cup coffee experience. Sustainable growing process, roasted perfection, and brewed with passion and love. Thank you for shopping local.